Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to customize your Dance Old School. So let's get started. First I draw the outline of the future drawing. Before dyeing the fabric, apply several coats of Angelus Too Soft Fabric Medium and White Acrylic Leather Paint. For this you need to mix them in 1:1 ratio. Then we put it on the sneakers. Then heat this layer at the temperature of 300 degrees FA for 3 to 5 minutes. Now apply a second layer. Then heat this layer at the temperature of 300 degrees FA for 3 to 5 minutes. Now apply Angelus White Acrylic Leather Paint to your Dance Old School. Then heat this layer at the temperature of 300 degrees FA for 3 to 5 minutes. Now apply a second layer. Then heat this layer at the temperature of 300 degrees FA for 3 to 5 minutes. And now it's done. Boom! I hope you enjoy my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question, write them in the comments and I will be happy to answer them. Bye bye!